guys, welcome back to my channel, and today what I have for you, I have partnered up once again with FabFitFun to bring you their fall box. I'm so excited. I love FabFitFun. In case you don't know anything about it, let me just tell you a little bit of information. It's a seasonal box, which means you'll get it 4 times a year, and to me it's just like getting Christmas 4 times a year because you can customize your box, but they also send you things in the box that you don't know what you're going to get, so it's always a surprise, and I have loved every box that I have received from them. And the box contains full sizes of the products, and the box itself retails, depending on what you select, like I said, it's customizable, well over $200 up to $300, but you only pay $49.99 for it. And I have a coupon code down in the description box below that is Magnolia, and it will give you 10% off your first box. And the box has different items in it each time. They cover lifestyle, beauty, fashion, wellness, all those kind of good things that you just love to get. And they always support philanthropic causes, which I really like. And this box is raising awareness for Right Action for Women, which is an organization providing assistance for women who are at risk for breast cancer. And they give financial assistance to those people, and I think it's wonderful, and Christina Applegate founded that. So let's open this up. Let me push this down and we'll see what's in this box. I'm so excited. And the box itself, I mean, I know that's not a big thing, but I always love how pretty it is. Okay, now I did take a sneak peek, I will tell you that. And you always get this little pamphlet with FabFitFun that will go over the philanthropic cause that they're supporting that month, what's contained inside the box, how much it retails for, and it gives you a lot of little ideas on how to use the items in the box. I just really like this little pamphlet. It's a really good add-along feature to the box. Okay, now like I said, I did take a sneak peek, and I really do love this box. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Oh my, okay, the first thing, and I'm so excited about it, is this beauty blender. And they are so soft. You wet them and then they grow, and then you can use this tip to apply concealer or then put powder over your concealer under your eyes to set it. And then you take this round in and just kind of bump it on your face, and it makes your any type of foundation go on seamlessly. I love it. And this is valued at $20. So right there, right off the start, you're already almost paid for your box. I love it, okay? Then the next thing in here would be Glam Glow Bubble Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask, okay? And you get 2 of these. Oh my goodness, okay? And these retail for $18, okay? This says, watch it activate into a tingling 3D bubble experience. The micro bubbles instantly invigorate and detoxify the skin, revealing a glowing, deeply purified complexion. I could use that, that's wonderful. Okay, and like I said, that's $18. Okay, and this is no particular order. Okay, so what will go next is, this is what I'm going to show you first what everybody will get in their box. So everybody will get a beauty blender, those 2 masks, and then these Simply Whimsical tea towels, okay? These are valued at $14.99. And they are nice. I like the pattern, and they're gray. They feel nice. They're not real thick, but they feel nice. And these, like I said, are valued at $14.99. And this would be really cute to set on your put on your bar cart or your oven, or just use in your kitchen. They're really nice. They do have a good feel. I like that. All right. And then the next thing that everyone will get is from Skin & Company. It's Blue in Capri. All right. And this is valued at $22. It's a multi-purpose shower gel, and it's inspired by the lemon farmers in Capri, Italy. And it's deliciously scented with wild sage, lemon, and alpine rose. So let's look at this. That just is so relaxing to smell. I can only imagine being in the shower and taking a shower with this. Ugh, I'm gonna love this. All right, so everybody's gonna get, and then everybody is gonna get a Luna cashew butter bar, and there's a coupon in here that you can get $3 off a box of Luna bars on Amazon, so that's good. All right, now here's where you can get different things, okay? You can either have gotten a Vince Camuto Luck Tote in black or red desert here, or you can get brushes. And it looks like I got the Crown brushes. I'm really excited. I love makeup brushes. It's a 6-piece brush set, and you can get it in black and rose gold or silver. And they are valued at $75. So it's made of soft 100% synthetic bristles. This 6-piece brush set has everything you need to perfect any look. Plus it's packed into a handy travel case. And it is a nice cushy case, and it says Crown right here. I'm sorry, it's cloudy again here today. And here's the brushes that you get. Let's see what all different types of brushes that we do get. Okay, you get a powder brush, and let's see how soft these are. Oh, that's very soft. I really do love that. So you get a powder brush, and then you get a blush brush. I like that angle. That's really nice. And they are soft. Then you get a concealer brush. Oh, that's nice to put your concealer on with. That would be really nice. And then you get a shadow brush. Oh, and it's nice and fluffy. I like that. Okay. And then you get a blending brush. Although this, I think mine were out of order. This is the shadow brush because it's flat. And this is your blending brush because it's big and fluffy. It lets you blend out everything. So mine were just a little bit mixed up in mine, but that's just fine. And then you get an eyeliner brow brush. That is really nice. So you are totally set with these brushes, and then they come in this wonderful case, so I love that, okay? Now let's see what we get into. All right, and then you will either get an Alfred teapot right here, or you'll get the Alfred French press. And I got the Alfred French press coffee maker. Let's see. It's packaged really good. And this values at $22 for this. Oh, it is so cute. I don't know if you can see it, but it says, "But first coffee." This trendy LA coffee shop, Alfred Coffee, is making it so easy to brew the perfect cup of joe with this stainless steel coffee press. Oh, I think I might really like that. I wouldn't have bought it for myself, but it's a nice gift. All right, and then the next thing that you can get would be either an umbrella or the Clylo Cobra Bluetooth wireless earbuds, which is what I have. Oh, that's nice. And they are valued at $40. You can either get them in black or white, and I got the black. And here's your little earbuds, and then you can control your volume from here like you do on your iPhone controls, and you can answer a phone. I like that. And like I said, they're valued at $40. And that'll come in handy, like if I'm listening to something on YouTube and my husband's watching TV, I can use that. I really like that. Okay, and then you'll either get, there's 3 things from the Grown Alchemist line, and you can either get the polishing facial exfoliant or the Hydra Repair Day Cream, or the Restore Cream. And I got the Grown Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant with pink grapefruit and glucoman extract. Oh, that's wonderful. And this is valued at $67. And this is free from skin aging toxins and anything that causes cancer. It doesn't have any sulfate or petrochemicals in it, so that's really good. Let's see what this feels like. Oh, that's going to be a wonderful scrub. When I first put it out, I didn't smell anything, but now it's just a relaxing spa. I think I'm going to have a relaxing spa night tonight. Oh, and then my skin is so soft. It just feels like a baby skin. Oh, love that. So far, I'm very pleased with everything in here. Last thing is Pharmacy Do It All, okay? Let's see what this says. You could have either gotten this or the Touch and Soul Metallic Liquid Foil Lipstick or a detox bath. But I got this, the Do It All Eye Cream, which I am so glad about. And this is valued at $38, so you can see you well make up for what you paid for the box. And this is cute packaging. It looks like wood, but it isn't. Really doesn't have a scent, but that is fine. Oh, it's very moisturizing. Very, very moisturizing. I think I'm really gonna like that, because I am, like I said one other time, getting some fine lines. So I really like that. So I've enjoyed everything that I've gotten from my Fall FabFitFun box. And I'll leave that coupon code in the description box below, which is Magnolia, that will get you 10% off your first box. And I'd like to thank FabFitFun for partnering up with me once again. I enjoyed this so much. I love everything that I received in my box. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.